This is a self-retaining bolt, also known as the 2468 M32P01. Weighing about 35 grams, it could easily be overlooked in a 5.5-ton engine. But even though it is small and looks like any other bolt, it is also a crucial component of a complex system. One essential piece in more than 20,000 parts. Its strength is born out of teamwork, uniting its expertise and craft to thousands of others, putting details into motion, turning points into connections, becoming so much more than itself. Here, everyone knows its purpose, its role in the big picture. And when we care and come together, that's when we become bigger, stronger, and greater than the sum of all parts. And once care has been put into every detail and every piece reaches its goal, we are ready to move on to the next one. TAP, Maintenance and Engineering. Care is the most important part.